What if you uploaded every day for 5 months, 7 months? Would that even do anything? Would that even be worth the time? Would it just be a complete waste? Well, I have all the answers to these questions and many more in this video. You found the right video. It might seem weird to upload a video every day for 200 times in a row, just uploading over and over and over again, staying consistent and dedicated in something. And it seems like it doesn't even matter. So many times I've been in a kind of a rut, not really feeling like uploading any videos, feeling like it's kind of pointless, questioning why I even started making videos, what's the point of it? But there are so many benefits that I didn't even realize. As I'm going through my life, meeting new people, seeing new things, leveling myself up to that next level, I realized so many skills that I learned from YouTube correlated to those things that happened in my life. I'm able to speak better, solve problems better, and find good ways to manage things. I'm able to be more of a leader and an initiator. I'm able to do a lot more things in my life because of YouTube, basically. The first thing, though, I feel like is so important that I want to start this video off with is the fact that making a YouTube channel and just posting videos, it really helps you find the constraints in your life. Think about life as this hose that has a million different types of tangles in it. And you try to get to the water, but like nothing comes out because you have all these little tangles. It's like vacuuming too. When you're trying to vacuum and that little cord thing gets stuck, you can't suck anything. So you need to find the constraints in your life. You need to find what is causing those hoses to be tangled up. And you need to figure out how to untangle them, how to unravel it, put the hose in the right way to make it actually flow water. And making a YouTube channel and posting videos, I feel like knocks out so many of those little tangles and holes. It really does. I remember the first video that I ever published. I was a completely different person from where I am right now. As I uploaded my first video, wow, I got out my comfort zone more. Yeah, that's good, but at the same time, I was relapsing. I literally jerked off the same day that I published that video. I kept listening to music and getting the song stuck in my head, playing it in my head, just the only thing I could think about. My brain was completely fried. I had no attention span to do anything. It's probably why my first video was 30 seconds. It took me hours to film that one video. And after realizing that, I figured out what a constraint was in my life. The fact that I can't even focus on making a video for 30 seconds. Think about how crazy that is. You can't even focus on something for 30 seconds. I probably couldn't read a whole page of a book without thinking of something else. I probably couldn't even make like 100 videos without even thinking about anything. I couldn't do that. I couldn't be in a flow of anything. And as a result, I couldn't achieve anything substantial in my life. I also realized that when I kept listening to music, I know it sounds crazy, but it just kept getting stuck in my head and it's the only thing I thought about. And it consumed so much of my thoughts and attention that I just stopped listening to music. I really did. Another thing you have to realize is that if you want to make it, if you want to be more successful, you can't do what everyone else does. Everyone else listens to music. Everyone else just, everyone else has a terrible attention span. Anyways, when you publish 200 videos, 300 videos, yeah, it might sound a lot, but it's really not when you look at it in a year. Like I did all of that in 6 months. Boom, 200 videos, 6 months. And it really makes you figure out what your problems are in life, because a lot of people, like, they think they have business problems. They think like, oh, how should I get better at like speaking and doing this? But it starts out with having personal problems. The personal problems in your life that you're afraid to do this, you're nervous, you can't speak as well, you're not as confident, and you care about what other people are thinking about you. Those are personal problems. And when you knock all of those out, you feel so alive and you're able to succeed more in your business or whatever you do. Uploading every day makes you more consistent, gives you more experience, more than college would ever do, makes you more confident, gets you better at speaking and talking to people in general. How, like, the first few videos I made, my voice was soft, I was quiet, I was kept in. But now I'm able to talk louder, convey my message more, not care about if I upset someone because, oh, video games are terrible. Oh, video games are terrible. Like, I don't care. I don't care about those losers in the back who think it's still fine to play video games over and over again and waste your life and waste all your time and energy. You're able to be more confident with what you say and actually mean it. Don't half and half. Like, you guys should start improving your life a little more, but it's fine if you play a little bit of video games. Like, it's understandable. I do that too. Like, how are you gonna, if you're gonna make some little self-improvement channel, you have to kind of practice what you preach. Because that's another thing that uploading every day and trying to give value has done to me. Like, I can't be telling people to take cold showers, to talk to people and do this when I don't even do those things. Like, imagine if I told you, you should stop being lazy, take a cold shower when I literally don't do cold showers. Like, how weird would that be? It doesn't make sense and it holds you more accountable. It also makes you more disciplined and consistent in something. Whether school gets in the way, whether life gets in the way, you manage your time more effectively. You're able to do the few things that are important to life and YouTube, which is just recording a freaking video for 20 minutes and then boom, you have a video. One constraint that I had which limited me for so long, like 200 of my videos completely like not as good as compared to the ones that I'm trying to make right now, is that I didn't have any edits in them. They were just me talking, sitting here. Yeah, guys, you should listen to a 30-minute video of me talking like this. Like, yeah, those videos could be good, but my younger self wouldn't listen to a video like that. Like, if I wouldn't even watch a video like that, why would someone else? So when I put more edits, when I actually put some effort in the work, instead of just, yeah, I'm so productive, I filmed 7 videos today, and then I just post them out, and why do they get 50 views? Why do they only get 10 views? Because your videos are terrible. You have to also destroy your ego. Like, you can't think that, oh, I'm an exception in this. Oh, I can be better at this. I don't have to I don't have to listen to what other people are giving me feedback on. Like, oh, I could just make unfiltered raw videos and then boom, blow up. Like, yeah, you probably can do that. And yeah, there probably has been some people that done that. But they also had so many more things working for them. Like, there's this one fitness guy, Sam Sulek, I think his name is. Like, he doesn't edit his videos. I mean, like, I would argue that, like, yeah, he does. He has a 5-second intro in the beginning, which gives you dopamine, like, whoa, this guy's ripped, this guy's jacked. And then he's still doing stuff in his videos. He's still driving in his car. He's still working out. He's still doing those things. But yeah, I could just, 16-year-old, yeah, like, yeah, I stand out, but like, I'm not on steroids or anything. Like, it's just me sitting. It's just me sitting. I'm not walking anywhere. I'm not driving anywhere. I'm not doing any activities. I'm just talking to you. So having some edits, like, I used to think, oh, it's dopamine, it's terrible, but how else are people going to listen? How else are the people who are going to need these videos listen to these videos if there's no edits, if it's not appealing to them? It just betters yourself in general. If I could summarize it in one sentence, having YouTube videos will level up you in real life. And also, having videos, uploading every day, it gives you a drive to work on something. It gives you a reason to wake up. It gives you a reason to stay disciplined. But there always is negatives. There always is problems with YouTube, which also there's problems with anything else in life, any other business model, any other 10K a month business, side hustles, there still are problems. And there obviously is problems with YouTube. But I feel like a good thing for choosing out your business model is to choose what problems you want to solve, what problems you actually care about and want to solve. It's not what business model doesn't have any problems, what how to get all the solutions and answers and not have to do any solving problems. I know math sucks, but you still have to solve some type of other problems in your life. And it's choosing what problems you want to deal with. Whether it's the problem of, oh, your editing video crashed, oh, you ran out of space filming this video. Like those problems, like, yeah, they're annoying, but they could be a lot worse. Oh, like, oh, I might have filmed the video terribly and then I just have to redo the video like 20 minutes, 10 minutes. But there are some other things that honestly take a lot of skill in learning is that you become so obsessed about YouTube. You like autistically check all the little analytics about this and this, trying to get like, ooh, oh, this video was 3% lower than this one. Oh, I'm gonna cry now. Like you care so much, you become so obsessed with everything, and then you freak out, you stress out about if a video doesn't do as well as this one and why you can't get the views over and over again. And it came to a point where I would literally be so disappointed with the videos getting like 100 times, 10 times less than some of my other videos. Then I literally wouldn't even check YouTube, check anything for the first 10 hours of the day when it's like 5, 4 p.m., 3 p.m. Then I'll check YouTube because I was just so tired of seeing the subscriber count, this count, the numbers stay the same and get lower. I would literally lose subscribers in a day. My channel was literally dying. I was falling off. The fall of Timothy. But I feel like when you stop obsessing and you just genuinely try to make better videos, get better, remove the limiting beliefs of, oh, it has to be non-edited and no dopamine. When you remove beliefs like that are honestly holding you back so much, that's when you'll see the progress and that's when the rise of Timothy videos will pop up. A lot of times I've cared about YouTube a bit too much. Like, yeah, it is important. Yeah, I want to work hard, but there are just some times where you just need to think about something else in life. Go on a walk, do something besides think about YouTube. And when you find ways to improve, realize what you're doing wrong, it trains your brain so much. I swear, 80-90% of YouTube is literally just a mental battle. The reason why you aren't successful in YouTube is literally because of you. You are the reason why you get low views. You are the reason. Because there's probably some crazy keywords I can say in a video and some crazy title that'll literally get a billion views. I'm not even joking. I can make some 10-minute video and watch the algorithm pop off and then boom, 1 billion views. If I say the specific right words at the right time, saying it at the right way, it is possible. And yeah, like a billion views might be a little too crazy, but seriously, like you are able to get those views. You are able to get those rewards, and you shouldn't even think about views and subscribers, like not even care about the numbers. Like you shouldn't not care about the numbers where it's like you like don't even care about like that you're getting those views and stuff. But like it's probably because your channel isn't that good. But as long as you like have subscribers and you connect with them and you get along with them and you're able to build the relationships, that's the people who actually matter. Because do you care about the views and subscribers or the money and status and fame that will come from those subscribers and views? Because that's probably what you care about more. You probably care more about the wealth than the actual subscriber count. Because if you had $1 million but 0 subs, but 10,000 subs and $1, you're obviously going to take the second one because subscribers mean everything in your life. Or not. So take the first one, right? When you maximize your mind and really beat your mind, like take control over your mind and brain, that's how you actually win YouTube. That's how you get the success. You don't listen to your dumb brain that's keeping you poor and you just destroy your ego and do the things you know work and you know are right And that's actually how you progress and see progress. So yes, if you upload every day for months, it will help. You will see progress in your life. Your skills will develop. You will see a lot more evolution in your character to evolve you to that next level, to be Mega Timothy and instead of some little Timmy thing. It's not a complete waste of time, and it's not even a waste of time. It's a waste of time if you keep on thinking about it and caring about it and obsessing over it. But if you defeat the bad thoughts in your mind and elevate yourself to that next level, think long term, stay consistent, work hard, it's gonna happen. If you get better every time, constantly improve, you don't quit, you keep on working. Nobody has ever failed when they did that. So making videos will do a lot in your life. It will develop yourself even more. It's not even about the views, it's not even about the subs, the money that comes. It's literally just developing yourself as a character to be more confident and outgoing and hold yourself more accountable in your life. Give you a reason to work and do something. While everyone else, every other 16, 15-year-old is like, yeah, I'll just play video games and a new Fortnite season came out. It's fire, it's lit. Like, they're wasting all their time doing those things. So, like, there's not a reason why you can't work. If you have internet, if you have a device like that you do because you're watching this video, then you can easily get, like, it sounds a little crazy, but you can make a lot of money. You can get $1,000, $10,000 per month, 100,000 per month. It is possible. It's all in here. Fix this thing and fix a lot of problems. Untangle the hose, and boom, it'll flow out, spill everywhere, and then boom, you're have a whole ocean of the hose water that you can think of the hose water as success in your life and the potential that you have. So if you want to talk to me more, I have a Discord community you can join in the description. Some other cool people are in there. Some are a little interesting to say the least. But yeah, join that if you want to get closer to me. If you say hi, I'll literally respond to you. Like this video if you liked it. If you found this video helpful or interesting, you found the right channel. Click and watch this video right here. Subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more videos to try to help you every single day. Yeah, like this video if you liked it. I'm about to upload for a year now. Let's go. Vamos!